Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase social proof with Yelp. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To increase social proof with Yelp, start by claiming your business listing. Go to the Yelp for Business website. Sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, search for your business name to find your listing. Click on Claim this business to proceed with the verification process. Follow the prompts to verify your ownership through phone or email. After verification, complete your business profile. Add essential details such as your address, phone number, and website. Write a compelling business description that showcases your unique offerings. Upload high-quality images that represent your business accurately. Encourage happy customers to leave positive reviews. Create flyers or cards that politely request reviews after a service or purchase. Respond to all reviews, both positive and negative, promptly and professionally. Show appreciation for positive feedback with a brief thank you message. Address concerns in negative reviews with empathy and a solution-focused approach. Utilize Yelp's tools, like check-in offers or Yelp ads, to engage customers. Promote any special offers or events through your Yelp profile regularly. Share your Yelp profile link on your website and social media platforms. Monitor your Yelp analytics to understand customer engagement better. Adjust your strategy based on the feedback and insights you gather. By following these steps, you can effectively increase your social proof on Yelp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.